Hello everyone, today we will discuss a new and first drama of BA Final Year, Unit 5, Tara by Mahesh Dattani. About the poet, he was born on 7 August 1958. He was one of the most prominent playwrights writing in English. First Indian playwright, he was the first Indian playwright to win the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1998 for English drama. Major works his are Tara 1990, Final Work 1993, Dance Like a Man 1989, and Where There Is Will 1988. Please learn these major works. And his works have been adapted into films and performed internationally. Now here are the themes of the drama. Gender discrimination, which means here the play highlights how society values male children over female children. Family and betrayal. The parents, especially the mother, make a biased decision that affects Tara's fate. Okay, according to the drama. Guilt and identity. Here the Chandan, his brother, the Tara's brother Chandan, feels responsible for Tara's tragic end and struggles with his identity, where he tries to escape his past but remains haunted by it. Medical ethics and moral dilemma, which means that here the unfair decision regarding the surgery raises questions about ethical practices. Here the doctors and family prioritize the boy's life over the girl's. Patriarchy and social expectations. Here women are shown as victim of patriarchal system that limits their choices. Okay, here even the mother, despite being a woman, she upholds these biases and takes a side of his son. Sibling bond and emotional connection, which means that Tara and Chandan, they shares a deep emotional connection. Okay, despite societal interference, their bond remains strong. And fate versus free will, which means that here the play questions whether destiny is shaped by fate or by human choices. Here the Tara's fate is unjustly divided for her by others. Now here are some of the characters which I'm going to explain you in detail. Tara, she is the main protagonist of the play and also a physically challenged girl who is intelligent, lively and strong-willed. Okay, she faces a gender discrimination despite her potential, and her fate is unfairly decided by her parents and society. And Chandan, later known as Dan, Chandan is Tara's twin brother, and here it narrates the story from London, where he tries to escape his past. Okay, he also feels guilty for injustice done to Tara, which also symbolizes the emotional burden of gender biasness. Here the mother is Bharti, where she loves Tara deeply but still makes the biased decision and favoring Chandan, her son, and also struggles with guilt and tries to compensate for her decision by being overprotected of Tara, which also represents the internalized patriarchy in society. Here Patel, his father, which as you can see here, his father, Patel, he is a practical, emotionally distant man. He does not express much affection towards Tara, which justifies the bias and decision regarding surgery as being in Chandan's best interest. Here the family doctor, Dr. Thakkar, who performs surgery of the twins. Here the doctor who performs the surgery of the twins conflict. Here the unethical decision influenced by gender biasness. Okay, and the Rupa, who is neighbor and a friend of Tara and a very good friend of Tara. She sometimes mocks Tara, but also represents how society preserves physically challenged individuals, right? How much good friends are they? But still, she always mocks Tara. Here the grandfather, actually he is not mentioned in the play, but Bharti's father who influences the decision to favor Chandan. Like Bharti's father who influenced the decision to favor Chandan, which also shows the gender bias is a generalization issue. Okay, it is a generational issue. So I think these characters I explained you very well. Okay, in detail. Now we'll move forward to summary. Actually, I will explain you the summary in a paragraphical way, and I have made these points. So whenever you take the revision for exam, it will be very easy. You just go through the points and you will learn the summary, and it will be very easy because I have written these summary in points like introduction, birth of conjoined twins, Tara discrimination, family conflict and betrayal, Tara's decline and death, Chandan's guilt and escape, and the conclusion also I have given. So it will be very easy for you to learn the summary with the help of these points. Okay, but for now I'll explain you in the paragraph in a general summary as teacher is explaining. Okay, so here the summary shows that here the Tara is a very powerful play which explores the general discrimination, family betrayal, and societal biases. Okay, as she is a girl child, here the story which revolves around the conjoined twins. Okay, Tara and Chandan. Okay, who are surgically separated at birth. Like, however, due to gender bias, their parents and the doctor ensures that Chandan gets the better chances at survival, depriving Tara because of a vital part of her body that could have helped her live longer. So, despite being intelligent, strong-willed, Tara is treated unfairly by her family and society. Why? Because she is a girl child, and there is patriarchy is all going around here. Okay, her mother is also a woman. Despite that, Bharti loves her deeply, but still she takes the side of her child, of his son Chandan. Okay, but she's also guilty of the biased decision. Her father Patel remains emotionally distant. Like over time, Tara's health and eventually, over time, the Tara's health is going deteriorates day by day, and she eventually dies, which leaving Chandan burdened with guilt. Here, years later, Chandan now living in London as a Dan. Okay, please remember this name as a Dan. Maybe ask in one word. Tries to escape his past, but remains haunted by Tara's memory. As he loved his sister as she died, he always misses his sister, which his memories always haunt him. Here, the puerile nature of mother and father as their generational thinking of this biasness is going on. So this play ends with the realization that he cannot run away from the injustice done to his sister. Okay, so this is the explanation. I hope you all understand this. Please read this summary by the point. It will be very helpful for you. I hope you all understood the summary of this drama, and this drama is very important according to the point of view. Thank you everyone for listening.